Number 16, lot F87, is a 1967 Ford Fairlane GTA convertible with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it's sold for $46,750 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 63,472 miles. It's red exterior and black interior. And it's a Fairlane GTA. And the highlights are S code 390 cubic inch V8 engine, fuel injection, automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, dual exhaust, bucket seats and console, and white leather tires. And this one, as you'll notice, it says high bid on the sticker on the windshield. The bid goes on. And this one had bid to $40,000 and did not sell. And then it sold off the block for $46,750. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.